Alright, job of the day. We are changing out springs and retensioning this back door system. Oh, we're not changing out springs. We are changing out cables and retensioning the system. So, getting my cables all laid out. And then I will take all the scary tension out of this pent-up system here and start replacing stuff.
I'm gonna go to the store and grab back for eyes. Do you need anything?
I don't need anything. Yeah, we're good.
Alright.
Thank you, sir. Alright, got that. Good. Alright, let's take the scary tension out of this. Oh, we don't have any tension. Sweet. 7/16 12 point is what goes over this. If you don't have a 12 point socket, it'll be a 3/8 wrench. That's good. That's good. Tension's out, tension's out. Our bar is secure. Start taking off the other sides here. Come on, Mr. Cable. I think I can take this off with my finger. Nope, need a tool. Alright, cotter key coming out. That cable got twisted. Oh, there we go. Ouch. Perfect. One bad cable off. Oh, they already took this bad cable off for me. 2 bad cables off. Loosen cups. Where's my other one? Oh, crackers. I need a 3/8. 3/8 to get to that one. Okay, we got free spinning on both sides. Maybe. Why is that not free spinning all of a sudden? Okay, loose, loose. Just free spin for me. Oh, did it bend the tubing? There we go, all the way out. Good, free spinning. All right, now we lock the system. System locked, system locked. I need to have my nuts ready for this. Yes. Go here, through. It's getting a little warm in these rhinos, holy moly. And retightening cable. Hold that with your hand. Do surgery with this side. Feed through. And then when your hand cramps, you switch. Golden. We're gonna run this out just a little bit because it looks like it's go middle here. Grab my tool. Hand tight. Crank her down. And this always happens. Keep tension in it. Good. That'll tighten when we tighten everything up. That side's good. We're still locked in. Let's do this side. All right, take 2 on this. It came unspooled on me. I just don't have much room to work. But I can't open the door because that would defeat the whole purpose of pre-tensioning the system. Just work on breathing. Honestly, this, ooh, fingers cramping. All right, got that. We got cables on. We got to pre-tension it. I think I'm just gonna do 1 turn and then pull. Yeah, 1 turn and pull should pre-tension it pretty well. Cables are locked in great. They're on the same, relatively the same here. They're gonna tighten up after I drop as well. This is loose, so I'm gonna tighten that. I think that's 9/16. Check these. Those are good. I'm gonna go grab some 9/16 and tighten that nut. Let's tighten this nut. Oh, it's not backing up. Oh, that was really loose. Tight, tight, tight. Give it back, thank you. There is it. There it is. Tight. Mark it so I know my rotation on both sides, and then I gotta pull it all the way out here. I'm hoping 1 turn's gonna do it. Wonder if they didn't have it turned at all. Now we're gonna do 1 turn, see how it does, and then adjust from there. Use the correct side. Good, good. And there it is. Grab my tool so it's ready. And pull. Go. Tighten. Tight. Tight. Let's do the other side. 1. I got my tool ready. Good. And pull. Angle. So it doesn't back out on me. Finger tight so I can get my tool going. And tighten down. Good. Tight, tight. Make sure these are tight. Yes. Make sure this is tight. Yes. Make sure this is tight. Yeah, that's tight. Make sure this is tight. Yes. Okay, we're pre-tensioned. Take the tension out of the system here. Good. Everything's tight, tight. Good. Let's tighten these. Yeah, let's pass the nylock. Oh, I gotta go from the other side on this one. And that's past the nylock. All right, let's test it. Now, let's see if this comes down fluidly. Oh, hope if I didn't jam that. What hits on this? Oh, this. Bueno. And successful. Everything's good, goes down, don't need to tension it. Just one turn on the springs was all it needed. Pick up all my tools, and easier said than done. Good, I'll grab that cable. And this job's done. 2 new cables. I tensioned up the springs. It goes up and down. I let them know that it just, you gotta come down gently and hold on to it. Don't let it slam. A lot of times when people let it slam, it'll loosen up the cables, and then it'll be able to wrap and skip. So, don't need to do that.